मेरी इंस्पिरेशन मेरे पिताजी हैं। मैं उनके हाथ से निकला हूँ। उनकी शिक्षा जो भी मुझे मिली उनकी वजह से मिली और वो इट्स इनग्रेन्ड इन माई सिस्टम, इन माई सबकॉन्शियस. Arvind Vashisht is my ode to my dad. There are some people who are good at playing the game, then there are some people who are very good at running the game. Janvi is a very phenomenal co-star. She is very talented. बहुत अच्छी झलक दिखती है श्रीदेवी जी की उनकी आंखों में. You know, I'm a big fan of Mr. Bachchan.
आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसी व्यक्ति मौजूद है जिन्होंने अरविंद का बेहतरीन किरदार निभाकर असल जिंदगी में सभी के छक्के छुड़ा दे. अंगद, वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड नाउ.
थैंक यू, बहुत शुक्रिया. आपने बहुत अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया. मैं अपनी जर्सी पहन कर रहा हूँ हरियाणा हरिकेन्स की, जिसका मैं कैप्टन हूँ. और अरविंद वशिष्ठ मुंबई मैवरिक्स के भी कैप्टन थे. फर्स्ट सीज़न में टीम खड़ी करी, लेकिन सेकंड सीज़न में जब वापसी हुई है, इन्होंने वापस से अपना जो विश्वास है एक नई टीम में डाला और उनके उभरते खिलाड़ियों को इकट्ठा बड़ा करके इकट्ठा एकजुट रख कर PPL का टूर्नामेंट जीता है. सो बहुत ही वी आर वेरी वेरी प्राउड.
अगर इनसाइड एज के पहले सीजन को बहुत ढेर सारा प्यार मिला एंड नाउ सीजन 2 एवरीवन ऑलरेडी इज अप्रिशिएटिंग यू, तो कैसा फील हो रहा है, क्या कहना
बहुत
चाहोगे?
अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि इवेंचुअली काम तो ऑडियंस के लिए करते हैं हम, और अप्रिसिएशन जितनी मिले. इट्स नॉट अबाउट एनीथिंग. भूख है कि हमारा काम नोटिस हो एज एक्टर, एज एन आर्टिस्ट, और लोगों को काम अच्छा लगे. एंड दैट इज़ द कॉन्स्टेंट स्ट्रगल इन एवरी एक्टर्स लाइफ, इज़ टू बेटर देयर परफॉर्मेंस दैन द लास्ट. And I'm really glad, and I have a heart full of gratitude. Like really, thank you for if Arvind Vashisht has struck a chord with all of y'all, and I'm eternally very grateful for y'all for taking out time to watching Inside Edge season 2 and giving the love that y'all have given this season, because it means a lot to me and to the whole team of Excel and Amazon and the cast. And we've all put in a lot of effort. But thank you so much for really enjoying Arvind Vashisht.
अंगद, आप जब भी ऑन फील्ड आते हो, जब स्क्रीन पर हम लोग देखते हैं तो फीमेल फैंस करके पूरा मतलब वो लोग पागल हो जाते हैं आपको जब भी देखते हैं. तो आपके कैरेक्टर को आपने कैसे प्रिपरेशन किया उसके लिए?
देखिए, कैरेक्टर एज अरविंद इज़ जो इंस्पिरेशन है वो आई हैव टू से लाइक बहुत लोगों ने लिखा है कि इज़ वेरी लाइक MS धोनी. आई फील हाँ, शायद थोड़ी सिमिलैरिटीज़ लोगों को उसमें दिख रही होंगी, बट एक्चुअली मेरी इंस्पिरेशन मेरे पिताजी हैं. मैं उनके हाथ से निकला हूँ. उनकी शिक्षा जो भी मुझे मिली उनकी वजह से मिली, और वो इट्स इनग्रेन्ड इन माई सिस्टम, इन माई सबकॉन्शियस. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने मुझे लाइफ के लेसन्स दिए हैं, हाउ टू वर्क हार्ड, हाउ टू बी ऑनेस्ट, हाउ टू बी अपराइट, हाउ टू be a man of your word. And that's what Arvind is. If my father always wanted me to live a life of principle, of being hardworking, being determined and persevere. So if I have to put all these words in one man, that is Arvind Vashisht, and that is my ode. Arvind Vashisht is my ode to my dad. Inside Edge season 1 and season 2 is my ode to my father. Like, that's how I see it, because he's always wanted me to live my life like that, as an honest man. And I feel that this character, my maker Karan Anshuman, who has created Arvind Vashisht and his world, I'm very grateful, because अगर ये opportunity मुझे ना देते तो शायद इतना प्यार भी नहीं मिलता, but मिला है, and I really owe it all to my upbringing, and that is my dad.
अगर हम ट्रेलर में भी देखते हैं कि एक जगह पर लिखा होता है कि क्रिकेट वर्सेस पॉलिटिक्स, तो व्हाट इज़ योर ओपिनियन ऑन दिस कि क्रिकेट वर्सेस पॉलिटिक्स क्या कहना चाहोगे आप?
देखिए, जहाँ when you have to realize that वो तो एक टैग लाइन है शो की. Now I feel that wherever there is commercial, when the world becomes commercial, today T20 is a commercial world. There is money, there is entertainment, there will be power. When power is driven, then when the various people put together in one room, there will be politics. And I feel it's not a bad word. It's just there. It's like there are some people who are good at playing the game, then there are some people who are very good at running the game. So I think it has to be a perfect marriage and a mix of both. But yes, like there is also a thought process which says that cricketers should only run the game. But then I don't know if cricketers are that well established to run an establishment. So that's why you have people who know how to run an establishment, run cricket. So it's literally like a debate that can go on. But like I don't have an opinion on it, but I really feel that we should keep sport away from politics as much as possible. because sport is played with a lot of heart and soul. There's a lot of sweat and blood that goes in. There's a lot of earnesty. There's a lot of gratitude. There's a lot of gumption. There's a lot of faith, and your body takes a beating. There are injuries. You pick yourself up. You fight back again, and you're only competing with yourself. So I feel that when a person is going through such emotions, it's better that the politics of the sport is kept totally away.
अगर आपने विवेक ओबेरॉय के साथ भी इस सीरीज़ में काम किया है तो उनके साथ क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए, कैसा था उनके साथ काम करना?
देखिए, वो उनका ट्रैक अलग है. ही इज़ डन वेरी वेल. काफ़ी उनको भी अप्रिसिएशन मिल रही है. इट्स गुड टू सी दैट. बट ही इज़ अ वेरी सीनियर एक्टर. आई हैव सीन Satya, I've seen Shooter at Lokhandwala, I've seen Company. These are the 3 films that come to my mind when you talk about him. And now Vikrant Dhawan, he's done a very good job of it, and people are liking his evil side, and it's good because he believes that he's the hero in his world, and there's nothing wrong with that because it brings the best out of him as Vikrant Dhawan. And I think that is it, like how I believe that it has to be right in the game, and the game as Arvind Vashisht believes what is his thought process. वो सोचता है कि it has to be played the most pure way, the most correct way, the honest way, and there has to be integrity. That is, Arvind Vashisht is, if he's the hero in his world, then maybe Vikrant Dhawan thinks like that in his world too. So we are two opposites, and my purpose is, apart from coming back, one of the purposes is to bring his character down, and that is shown very beautifully. There's a very lovely long scene between me and Vivek sir, and people are really liking that.
अंगद, आप जानवी कपूर के साथ गुंजन सक्सेना भी दिखने वाले हो इस मूवी में, तो हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग विद हर, और पीपल आर ऑलरेडी लविंग कि कैसे होने वाला है, क्या एक्साइटमेंट होने वाली है?
वो तो जब ट्रेलर आएगा तो पता चलेगा, बट इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म. जानवी इज़ अ वेरी फिनोमिनल को-स्टार. शी इज़ वेरी टैलेंटेड. बहुत अच्छी झलक दिखती है श्रीदेवी जी की उनकी आंखों में. And I'm very lucky because I get an opportunity to work with Karan Johar and Apurva Mehta as producers, Dharma Productions. हम लोग as an actor, everybody dreams कि यार धर्मा कब sign करेगी, तब बात बनेगी. So I feel that it's happened to me, and I'm very grateful. There's Pankaj sir, Pankaj Tripathi, who's playing our father. It's a beautiful story of a girl who wants to find her wings and fly, wants to become a pilot, and that's it. And then how the brother is the mirror to the society. He's the reality check in her life, and it's the coming of age of the brother. It's a beautiful story. You have to watch it. Okay. 13th of March is the release.
And आपका मुंबई का फर्स्ट लुक भी आया है, उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे फैंस के लिए?
देखिए, that is bringing the alpha male back. I'm a big fan of Mr. Bachchan, and I thought just the way he was in the 70s and the 80s, I loved him and I still love him. My action hero. So it's basically that's what we're trying to do with Mumbai. I play the encounter specialist, and he's Mumbai. He's the alpha male. He's coming back. Action है, commercial है, गाना भी होगा, fight भी होगी, scenes भी होंगे, dialogue बाजी होगी. I'm looking forward to that.
Okay, अंदर जाते जाते फैंस को क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Please watch Inside It Season 2, and those who've not seen it should go and revisit the first season before they watch the second season, because it's right now the biggest thing on the digital platform, and you'll miss out something. So just watch it because you'll love it.
Thank you, Angad. Thank you for talking to Bollywood Now, and all the best for your future.